Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Some Jeevan Tech. Today going to show a new update called Miui 10 8.10.11 version. So since I didn't got a 2 weeks update, so I didn't update yesterday. I got the update, so I updated already. As you can see, the system update. Yeah, says and let me check. It's coming on. My internet is damn too slow. It's here. So yeah. It's recently you can see the 8.10.11. You can see the what's new. It says improved system stability, optimized systems performance. So guys, the previous I was facing lots of bugs in the camera app, and in terms of camera ma'am, still they didn't give the portrait mode. Why I'm not getting the portrait mode, don't know. That it's coming with a square type, but even the system comes with a slight slow. As you can see here also, it comes a lot of lagging, or even in the MIUI 10. So you can see the even this coming very slowly, and it's going very slow at times. So guys, in the terms of battery backup is quite good, and I'm using Vodafone here, so I got a VoLTE. I think the most of devices got a VoLTE here. So guys, I got a one more message. I'm getting the message called every time I facing the messages like which is I will show you that yeah, the camera keeps stopping teams. So why I'm not getting this message, I don't know. So guys, thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, make sure to like and share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye.